Alex. Alex, what's the cow say?
Mm.
Yeah. What about the cat?
Like,
What about the dog?
what, what,
What about the duck?
duck,
Yeah. What about the snake? What about the lion? What about the rooster?
uh-uh,
How did the rooster go?
uh-uh,
What about the pig? What about the sheep?
bear,
What about the monkey? What about, let me see. What about, oh, that's a piggy. What about, what's the snake say?
yeah,
I know you know more. Alex, where's your head?
yeah,
Yeah. What about your ear? Uh-oh. Okay. Ear. Good job. Alex, where's your eye? Good job. What about your nose? Nose? Yeah, honk honk. Alex, what about, what's the bear say?
bear,
Alex, where's your foot? Hmm. Yeah, there's your foot.